In the ancient city of Tyre, on the eastern shores of the Mediterranean Sea, a revolution was brewing. This was no ordinary uprising, but a quiet, persistent change that would forever alter the course of history. The year was around 1500 BC, and the catalyst was an innovation as simple as it was profound: the Phoenician alphabet. The Phoenicians, a remarkable seafaring people, had long been known for their trading prowess. They sailed the vast expanse of the Mediterranean, bartering their prized goods, copper, textiles, and purple dye from Tyrian purple snails, for gold, silver, and precious stones. Yet, their success was not just due to their tenacity or business acumen. It was also because of their unique alphabet. Unlike the hieroglyphics of Egypt or the cuneiform of Mesopotamia, the Phoenician alphabet was alphabetic, consisting of 22 simple, distinct characters. This made it easier to learn, use, and adapt. Yet, it was not just its simplicity that made it revolutionary. It was its potential. The Phoenicians, aware of the power of their new script, began to share it with their trading partners. First, it was the Canaanites, their neighbors to the west. Then, it was the Greeks, with whom they shared their wares and wisdom across the Aegean Sea. The alphabet spread like wildfire, carried by the winds of trade and the currents of the Mediterranean. Yet, it was not just the Greeks who embraced the Phoenician alphabet. It found its way to the distant shores of Italy, carried by Phoenician colonists. There, it was adopted by the Etruscans, who used it to write their own language. From Italy, it journeyed north to Gaul, east to Carthage, and west to Spain. The Phoenician alphabet's expansion was a testament to the power of knowledge and trade. It was a silent revolution, one that occurred not through war or conquest, but through the exchange of ideas. It was a revolution that showed the world the potential of a simple, yet powerful tool, the written word. And so, the Phoenician alphabet continued to spread, its influence echoing across the centuries. It was a silent ambassador, a silent conqueror, a silent revolution. And from the shores of Tyre to the ends of the earth, the Phoenician alphabet remained a testament to the ingenuity, ambition, and resilience of its creators.